Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of districts of the state Meghalaya in English. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Meghalaya is a state in northeastern India. It was formed on 21st January 1972 by carving out two districts from the state of Assam. Currently, there are a total of 12 districts in Meghalaya. First one is North Garo Hills. Next is East Garo Hills. On number 3 we have South Garo Hills. Next is West Garo Hills. Next is Southwest Garo Hills. On number 6 we have West Jantia Hills. Next is East Jantia Hills. On number 8 we have East Khasi Hills. Next is West Khasi Hills. On number 10 we have Southwest Khasi Hills. Next is East and West Khasi Hills. Last one, and on number 12 it is Re Bhoi.